How to fix Xfinity camera blinking orange. Now we have some sort of options over here that you can go ahead and try to potentially fix this problem. So reasons and why this is happening. So basically on how to fix the reason on why it's happening. So how to fix when the Xfinity camera blinking orange. You can also try this unplugging and power cycling the Xfinity camera if it's wired. If so, you can go ahead and continue to this. You can redo the Xfinity camera wireless setup. So in order to do this, all you have to do is to remove the camera from the app. So in the Xfinity app, go to security, disable the 24/7 recording feature before advancing, select the gear icon and press on edit and select that specific camera to delete. You can finally then re-add that Xfinity camera to the app to see if it would work. You can also update the Xfinity app or Xfinity Home app. You can pretty much do this in your Play Stores and App Stores and see if there are any updates. And if there are, just go ahead and press on the update option, of course. You can also troubleshoot issues with the network. So the next step they recommend is doing so. If the router keeps running into an issue or there are temporal service suspensions from your ISP, your Xfinity's camera LED will immediately flash in orange to indicate the fault. So you can go ahead and do this to troubleshoot the network, perform a power cycle or hard reset on your router, reduce the overall bandwidth usage of the network, reduce the amount of connected devices wirelessly, check if there's Wi-Fi interference between the router, and reconnect the service cable of your router or gateway. You can also allow Xfinity to use the local Wi-Fi. So you gotta have to ensure that you can go ahead to your local network in your iOS and press on the allow or toggle it on for the Xfinity security camera for your local network. You can also test the Xfinity camera on a hotspot to see if the connection is the problem. But anyways, hopefully one of these methods can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.